Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm here in this charming inner city cottage that was renovated by Bonnie's brother. This project was an extensive makeover of a tired single-storey cottage to give it an updated modern look. They've added a second-storey extension, and although it's a smaller home, the beautifully planned design makes it feel luxurious and effortless. Come and have a look at the bathrooms. This one here is the main bathroom. And so, as with any small space, planning is key, and really the size of the room is going to determine which products you can choose. They've cleverly added touches of luxury through their product choices. I love this stunning ADP Elisa and Lysandra Flow vanity, and they've paired it with Reece's Millie tapware and accessories range, which is a fave from many Three Birds projects. The Millie range not only looks great, but it's fantastic quality, Australian made and sustainably manufactured. And in this ensuite, how gorgeous are the curves of the arched mirrored shaving cabinet, bringing not only softer lines to the space, but also much needed storage. And they've used the Neo wall basin, which is a sleek all-in-one basin and bench top. The basin is offset, which means there's still plenty of bench space, perfect for an ensuite. And they've paired it with the Millie tapware and accessories range again, this time in brushed gold for a bit of bling and luxe vibes. And the toilets in this house are amazing. They're a combination toilet and bidet, so you can adjust the water temperature, the seat temperature, and it even has a night light. I mean, what more do you want from a toilet? So if you want to add a touch of luxury to your bathrooms, head online and check out Reece's great range of products today.